Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we're going to talk about this Mercedes S-Class, the almost perfect car that Mercedes built. But then they did one thing that kind of ruined it whole. So these are S400 hybrids, and what Mercedes did is they used a hybrid to start the engine. The problem is when the hybrid system fails, as you can see it over here, is our test car. When any of these components fail, including the AC compressor, you might have problems because then the car won't start, and these are not cheap. That battery is 15,000 to replace it. The dealership, this power electronic module, that's usually about 10, anywhere from 9 to 11,000 is what we typically see. But if any of these components fails, or if there's an issue with the hybrid system, this engine cannot start because the electric engine on the back is not going to work. And why Cole is the perfect car that Mercedes almost built is because this engine is actually one of the most reliable engines that Mercedes ever built. The problem is the electric motor right there instead of a starter. So what we're doing, we're putting a starter on this vehicle so that this car will never have to suffer from the hybrid system not working. Now everything is going to still be there, the same engine, transmission, the catalytic converter, emission stuff, but it's not going to depend on the hybrid system to start the vehicle. But the thing is, Cole is the perfect car because if you have a S550, then you really have a gas guzzler. It's too powerful and uses too much fuel. So the S350 is perfect because it's got enough power for this beautiful car. And but this one got the regular starter, so it'll never have to suffer from, or even if hybrid issues. Well, that's not a problem because the car can still start, drive, and be completely functional. Hey, thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.